Hi everyone, it's me again from Binary Empire. Today's insight with you on the investing.com platform, which is one of my preferred choice of fundamental news providers, and to just check out some of the news alerts surrounding commodities, forex, indices, and bonds. One of the things I use this for is mainly to assess the latest economic events and to assess how this would affect the particular currency pair or commodity that I'm interested in. Taking a look at the GBP USD, where we know that there's been a lot of news alerts surrounding this particular pair. One would have noticed a further dip on Thursday. This is in relation to the Bank of England further depreciating its interest rates to go from 0.5% to 0.25%, causing it to hit a new low. If you expanded this to go a little bit further, you would notice that the pound, it has been on decline since the Brexit announcement had occurred. These level of decline are testing out for new lows, but this is not to say that this will not bounce back at some point later in the future. What it's going to do is it's going to test new lows, and then when the demand for selling the pound becomes minimalistic, and the demand for buying the pound becomes more, these levels that it's testing will effectively become new supply and demand and support and resistance levels. Increasing this a bit, you can see a key area that would be of interest would be the 1.39 level where the pound tested. It is likely to retest this level again and then dip that back down, and then we go back to up to this point before retesting it and going upwards once the pound stabilizes and gains some strength. Looking up, we can click on the news, the economic calendar. This is what I tend to do on any good day to begin my trading strategy. I would then take a look at the news alerts for the day as well as the week. If you are a fundamental news player, then this is quite a handy tool that you can use to assess what you want to play with, such as the non-farm payroll, which occurred on Friday. Another critical update that would be arising, if you scroll down on the Monday, we will have some European news, some investor confidence, there is some Canadian news, so that's going to be the big event, and then the GBP retail sales monitor, as well as the New Zealand retail sales for electronic cards. Another handy tool is the Forex Factory, which we'll look at in another update. But in terms of my preference, I prefer investing.com because it's simpler to use. But I will still go ahead and do a further presentation on the Forex Factory to show how you can use that when assessing your fundamental and economical strategies for the day. Anyways, that's my tip for the day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you would like to keep up to date with the latest tips, news events, broker scams, broker reviews, software reviews, then please feel free to visit our website, which is binaryempire.com. Till then, I wish you good weekend and safe trade. Take it easy and bye for now.